Hello beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell and you will be notified of all my uploads. And on my channel, I do jewelry DIYs, bead unboxing videos, and bead hauls. So if that is something that you would like, please subscribe. Or if you would, just like to subscribe to be nice, I would appreciate that too. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching. And today I have a bead unboxing. I just received my first Bargain Bead Box order, their monthly subscription. So I'm, really excited to see what I've got. And the title of this is called Tranquil Tides Collection. So that just sounds beachy, which, I absolutely love. So I say let's go ahead and get started and see what we got. It comes in this nice blue beachy bag. So we have Blue Spot Jasper and Brass Teardrop Pendant, and the retail value is $6.99. Ooh, oh, that is really pretty. That's really nice. Okay. Next we have two-piece white Chalidony dyed starfish charms, and the retail value is $4.99. These are cute. Okay, now we have Lampwork Glass Octopus Bead. Oh, that's neat. Oh, yeah, that's so cute. I saw just the bottom part. I'm like, it looks like one of those candies, the red and white peppermints, but it's blue and white. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that little guy. Okay, and the bead goes through from his bottom through his top, or whichever, top through bottom. Okay, now we have 20 pieces, 8mm swirled round bead caps. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. These are nice. And I love this copper color. I mean, this definitely looks beachy to me because it looks, has that like worn kind of a look. I like that. With everything here. Okay. Next we have two sets, 14 by 8mm brass magnetic clasps. The value is $3.99. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at. That's a good magnet too. Nice. They just went right together. Look at that. All right. Next, I have 6mm peach moonstone round beads, a 7-inch strand for $6.99. Pretty. Has peach tones, tan, brown. We have 8x4mm crystal faceted rondelle beads, blue steel shimmer. 15-inch strand for $4.99. Oh, very pretty. Definitely sparkles like the ocean. Nice. It's beach waves. Pretty. Next we have 10 pieces of glass fish beads, and it's a $2.99 value. And these are cute. Look at how pretty. Very shimmery. Oh yeah, look at it. I love these. These are so pretty. I mean, that's definitely reminds me of the beach. Okay, now we have 20-piece nickel-free steel ear wires, antique copper. Yeah, that's nice. I love this color. We have 1 meter 6.5 by 2.5mm steel Lumachina jewelry chain, antique copper, $5.99. Lumachina. That's nice. It certainly is long. Okay. Next we have 10 pieces synthetic coral carved shell beads, $3.99 value. Very cute. And it looks like it's all the same pattern. No, it's not. No. Yeah, it is. It's all the same pattern. Okay. 10 pieces, 10mm blue spot jasper melon beads, $3.99 value. These are nice. Pretty. They feel like, what does it say? Blue spot jasper melon beads. Feels like a glass or ceramic. Pretty. Next we have 20-piece 8mm crystal faceted round beads in magma. They're AB. And it's $2.99. These are pretty. Oh wow. Oh, I love this. That is really pretty. Oh. These are a 4x2mm soda light rondelle beads, 7-inch strand for $4.99. Pretty. I like this. Very pretty. Four by 3 crystal faceted rondelle bead in matte pink champagne, 15 inches for $3.99 value. And that's nice. I like that, it's pretty. And then 40mm 21 gauge brass head pins. I'm not going to take these all out. Okay. Four pieces, 27mm swirled oval links, $1.99 value. These are pretty. Oh, these are cute. 5 pieces, 22 by 9mm seahorse charms, $2.99 value. Oh yeah, these are cute. And they're designed on both sides. These are 20 pieces, 8mm swirl coin beads for $3.99 value. Huh. Nice. Oh. 4 pieces, 16 by 13mm turtle charms, $2.99 value. Now I love turtles. If you look at my website, Beachside Bead Boutique, I have a lot of items on my website that I use turtles. I mean, as far as I have turtle bracelets, I have turtle necklaces. So I love doing stuff with turtles. Turtle charms. I like these. They're really cute. Okay. 10mm banded agate round beads. 7-inch strand for $6.99. Nice. That is pretty. That's really pretty. And then last but not least, 15-inch strand, 8mm blue spot jasper round beads. Okay, so it's the same as these. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Very pretty. I just love the swirls of different colors of shades of blue in there. So this is everything that I got with the Bargain Bead Box for the month of June. Tranquil Tides collection. And I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you have a great week, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.